All right, so here we have number 4 on your note sheet. In this situation, we're just given some additional problems where we are required to go ahead and try to find the our arc lengths and areas. So in this particular case, we are told that we have an area, or I'm sorry, a radius or radii of 3 centimeters and a 50-degree angle or piece of our circle here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, if we know that this is 50 degrees, okay, and we know that this is 3 centimeters, hopefully you recall from the previous videos that the first thing we need to do is we need to determine the area of our original, our big circles. So the area and circumference of the whole circle. All right, and so to do that, we're just going to use those same trusty formulas. We're going to go A is equal to pi r squared, and in this case, we're going to be using 22/7 for pi. So we get that the area is equal to 22/7 times 3 squared, okay, which is just 9. Okay, and so then we go ahead and we get 198. Oh, 198. Lights went off. 198 over 7 is our area, and then for the circumference, okay, we go ahead and we say C is equal to 2 pi r, so 2 times 22/7 times our radius, which is just 3, okay, in which case we are going to get 132/7, okay. And that is our circumference. So now we have both those pieces, and all we're going to have to do is determine, well, how much of our circle do we have here? Well, okay, if we want to determine the piece of our circle, well, that is just going to be, we have 50 degrees out of a total of 360. Okay? If you don't know this trick, if you have the trailing zeros there, you can just cross them out. So we have 5 out of 36 total pieces. So if we want to know our area, okay, I'll go ahead and do that up here. Well, the area is just going to be 5/36 of the entire area, which we already had. It was just 198/7. Okay. All right, and now I'll let you do that calculation on your own, and I'll let you know if you're right in just a moment. Okay, and for the next piece, we have the circumference. Well, the circumference, same thing. It's just going to be 5/36 of 132/7. Okay, and so we go ahead and we multiply all of that out, and we're just going to get 990, okay, over 990 over 252. Okay, which I'll let you reduce that down, no problem. Okay, and then for the other piece here, we're just going to get, again, over 252, and 132 times 5 just works out to 60. Again, you should probably reduce these down, but we're worried mostly about the process right now. Okay, and again, I'm probably mislabeling this here. This shouldn't be circumference. If we were to label these as A and B, it would be arc A, B, and then this one would be the area of sector that we're looking for. Okay. Now, the rest of the problems actually work out just the same, so I'd like for you to go ahead and practice them out and come with any questions that you might have.